Good morning, GHS biology students. This is Mrs. DeMeyer. Since I can't be in 5 places at one time, I thought I'd do a little quick recording for you to teach you how to use some of our tools today. So the place that you're going to get started to do your cancer research is, as always, the GHS library homepage, and click on Pathfinders and click Cancer Research. Now when you get here, the reason that I wanted to talk to you guys today is that this is an ebook, Gale Encyclopedia of Medicine, and an ebook is sometimes a little harder to use than just doing random Google searching or database searching. So let's click on that Gale Encyclopedia of Medicine. Now when you guys are at home, if you click here from home, it'll ask you for your library ID, and that is right here, GHS RPA. And you'll just have to type that in. But when you're here, it just goes straight to the book. And just like any book, there's a couple of ways you can search it. There's a table of contents, there's a book index, and the book index is sort of the search engine in alphabetical order. Table of contents we'll talk about just, which different chapters will look at what. So I'm going to start with, let's see, stomach cancer, and I'm going to click search, and it's going to give me a bunch of different articles that show up with a keyword search tagged stomach cancer. So I'm going to click this one because it looks like it's going to be information specifically about stomach cancer. So I'm going to click there, and it'll give me a definition, the description of the cancer, the causes and symptoms, keep scrolling down, the diagnosis, and it'll talk about treatment. It'll give me a nice picture, kind of disgusting, but surgery, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, prognosis. What's really great about the bottom is they call it a sidebar, but this is really a glossary of key terms. So when you're reading scientific stuff, it's really good to have a little place where you can go to figure out what in the world is endoscopic ultrasound. Well, here's the definition. Or what is a polyp? And there you go. So that's going to be a good place to go as you're reading to figure out what in the heck it's talking about. And then if you keep scrolling down, there's prevention, there's other resources, so it'll give you books, but also organizations. So this is great when you are looking for an additional website. You can click on cancersearch.org, and then when you're ready to go cite this source, because you have to have a bibliography, remember, you just highlight that, copy it, and paste it into your Word document, and it's all ready to go in MLA 7th edition. So that's why I like to have you guys get started using these tools. Let's go up to the top. And that would be the Gale Encyclopedia of Medicine. Great resource. It really could be almost your main resource for using this. And that is how you use it. So once you've started your research here, and then you can go to the GHS library homepage and go to the databases link. So let's click back to the homepage. Click here on databases. And instead of going straight to subscription databases, which we usually do, I'd like you to scroll down and click on health and medicine. Now, what's great about this is the librarians over at Jeffco have put together all the great subscription databases that you can use to get information about health and medicine. So today, what I would recommend is going to the Health and Wellness Resource Center. You can go to lots of these, though. I mean, there's plenty of great places to go to get cancer information. But also, don't forget, scroll down, and you'll see there's different websites. Hopefully that will give you a good place to get started, and don't forget to go back to the Golden High School library homepage, and that's where you start with your Pathfinder. Click Pathfinder, Cancer Research, and that's really a step-by-step place to go to get what you need. And down here, citing your sources, if you have stuff that you pulled off the internet and it's not a database, I mean, databases and the ebook are really easy because you just copy and paste your citation. But if you need to use a citation generator, EasyBib is the one to try. And just go to your Google account, just like your Google Docs, and then you'll click on More and click EasyBib, and it'll take you right to EasyBib, and you can do bibliographies for websites there, and copy those and paste them into your final works cited. Hope you guys have a great time doing this project.